going to be trading binary option as always. We have this month made money every single day. This week have been a little harder than normal, but at least we have made profit. So if you want to be copying what I'm doing, make sure you check out the chat. There you find the link to the broker I'm using. I will now just check if everything is in order before we start trading. So just bear with me while I check that everything is in order. Just wait, we are soon getting ready to start. Seems like sound and everything is up and running. We are live in every place. I think we can just get started. So, as always, we will start with the first pair. Now, I will just take my time now to explain for new people coming in. This can also be people that look this as a recording. The type of style of trading we are going to use and the type of style of trading that we will always use and how you can copy what I'm doing. So basically what we do, we are trading on OTC pairs because they pay us the most. We are using candle chart. If you can load it up, that will be nice. Let me turn off the VPN. It is actually off. Let's see if we can reload this, if it would be better. Let's see. Running a little slow. There, now seems like everything is up and running correctly. So, basically what we are doing, we are trading pairs like this. We then set our specific lines where we like to trade. Like you can see in the top here, for example, that is a trading area. Then you see with a line like this, that is not good enough for us. We like to also change the color of the way we are trading. Like in this case, you will take down trades. In my case, I trade always $100, so I change the amount here. And the closing time is set to 30. So if this bar here come up to that line, we will take down. Then we also put this to the thickest line. This is so we can see that we have a little room to trade within. So that means every time this bar come up to this line here, we will just push the down button. Now when that is said, is this line very good? Well, we can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that is good enough for us to be trading. So this is a typical line that we would be good enough for us to trade. We need typically 4 tests on it before I start trading on it. So in this case, this is good enough. And from the 6 we see, we probably would have lost this one here. But the rest, we would probably have won. So we can now already just pause this one. So the way I do that, then I will say right, binary options sell line for AUD at 0, 88, 60, 10. So that means that every time we come up to that number, so you see that number here, we will then take a sell trade. I will now just post that here, and I will post it in, I will make this one smaller so you can see better. Post it for you all here. Yeah, good morning to you all. I see I have my regulars inside. I see I also have 2 likes. I hate I need to say this every time, but we need to. Make sure you push the like button so we get more people in. If everyone can just push the like button, our YouTube channel will grow faster and will be much more fun for me to do this type of live sessions. And more fun it is for me, more live sessions we have and more longer we take them. So it's a part of the deal. So it's a, yeah. I will now just take a screenshot of this also, because there are certain people that are not able to see my live session. That can be for different reasons, like at work and things, so we need to give a post for them also. And also it's a possibility we can get more people into the live stream. So while we're waiting, I will just post that super fast here now. Hopefully we can find some good lines. This week, like I said, we have been struggling a little more than normal. Every line we have taken have ended up with broken, even though we have managed to make profit, so I will not complain that much. But yes, this week have been we have needed to work pretty hard to turn profit. So I hope we can end the. Actually, we're not ending the week. I will be trading tomorrow also from morning. But for the regular week, today's a Friday, so let's see if we can get a good session in today. Let's see how this bar close. If we close with a red, we will continue look for a new pair. Let's see. Because we see we have our resistant here, so basically he need to break above it. So you see we are holding below it, and to be quite frankly, we could even start to trade here if we wanted to, because we see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe I should do that. We see, because we can see that they are actually building a line here. Let me take one more line here and take a look at it. We see we have this one spike here, but after that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I will not send this signal, but I will trade this line. Let's see how it goes. And if we break it, then at least we're getting up to this another one and we can test that one. So let's see if we come up here again, I will trade this line. So this is for the first pair on the list, Australian dollar against Canadian dollar. And this new line is at 0.885795. So let's see. I'm ready to go in on this new one. Or do he want to go more down, looks like. If we zoom out, we see that there are support down here, so probably, but now he's moving too way up. Now, let's just move on. This is taking too long time. Here I do not see nothing. I did see when I did cross over that maybe we get something here now. Let's see. No, don't have patience for this. Let's move on. Okay, here we see we have a trend upwards. We do not trade trend with this broker, but it's something that we can do with other brokers. I probably next week will do some more live sessions. Here in the top, I think we have something. Let's see. Let's mark it there. Let's see. I will take it to the 30. If we come up again, I'll take a trade. Let's see. We are ready. Of course, when we got the line in, he start to go down, right? Now let's see. We are ready. He's moving quite fast, so we need to be very careful with this one here. I'll zoom in more. He's really jumping, this Australian dollar against New Zealand dollar. Let me zoom out now. This is actually a good line. Now let's see. And now I have time to write it. So now I think we can think of the signal. Binary options sell line for Aud and Zeti at 1:11:05:94. Let's post that here. I'm ready. Let's post it here. So we have a 30-second close. Did I take a screenshot? I don't remember. Did I do it one more time? There. And here. We are getting very close now. I'm ready. We are almost up there now. I'm in. And of course he breaks the line. You see, it's this I'm talking about. This week, every time when we are trading something, every time you see here now, this has been something since 8:55 here in this, following this timeline here, and till basically for 2 hours that been something. And at the second we start to trade it, I start to be very annoyed with this now. It's happening too often now. So let's take -100. No, I really don't like it. This week have been very strange. Very strange week. What can I say? This is annoying me a little too much now. Making it very hard to be trading alive when it's like this. But we're not giving up, of course. Now let's see if I make a line there. I will not send this signal now. Now we'll just trade this one. This is Australian dollar against American dollar. Let's change for 30. When you zoom in, we see it's not it's not that good. Basically, we see this one is above, this one is below. No, this is not tradable. It is not tradable. We see when you zoom in that was not a beautiful line. Let's continue. We need to find something better than this. Here I basically see nothing. Here I see nothing. Down here we have something beautiful. Let's mark it there. Let's make it the green line. Yes, this looks to be decent. Let's change for 30. This is for euro against Australian dollar. the line is at 1.523841. We are very close. Let's see. I will be very annoyed if this line gets broken, because you can see this has been a thing for many hours. It will be very strange if it will break through it the time we go in now, because that has basically been the story for this week, that every time we start trading the lines get broken. That start to be old now. Yes, we can think like this, the broker is against us, but to be quite frankly, the broker can't care about our small trading here. We are not that many. We are not. If I had like 1,000 people live following me and be trading, and we were spending like crazy money on the line, yes, the broker maybe was against us, but it's not the case. So as we can see, the line have been staying alive all the way. The small trading we do would not make the broker break the line just for us. We are not that important yet. But yes, start to be annoying. That's another thing. Now let's see. So now this week, like I said, we have worked very hard for the few dollars we have made. We have still made money this week. I will not complain. For the month, we've done very good. But this week, yes, been a little harder than normal. But somehow we have managed to turn profit every single day. So in that way, I'm not complaining. Now let's see. If we can just calm down, I will take it. That one was close, but not there yet. And let's hope we can get a good entry, because we need it, as we are down $100 already, and I'm in there. I got a good entry at least. So as long as the line hold, we should win that trade. If we break this line now, I will be super annoyed. Now we need to wait more 10 seconds. He's really testing testing the line as we are in the trade, just to make it difficult for us. I take one more entry there now. We won the first. Let's put that into the calculation. 95. So now we have $5 down. We have one more trade in with a good entry actually. And we are now turning another win. Probably found a good line now. And there, we won another $95. Cool. So then our profit are at $90, so we at least turn it profit. Then I'll present this line for everyone. Binary options buy line for Aud at 1:52:38:41. There. So this line seems to be quite decent, at least for now. We have turned profits. I'm pretty happy with that. I will post it here. Yeah, it can be blurry in the start. That is not on my end, that is on your end. That means it's always like this when you are running a live stream. Because when I see here now says excellent, my internet speed and everything, so everything should be good. And I'm on my good computer, so, and I have a very good internet connection. So when it's blur, it's typically that in the start, and then turnover to be good after. Now let's see what I was doing. Yeah, I was going to post this. Let's post this one. there. Now we're moving a little far away from our line, but at least we found one that was decent. Take a screenshot there. I think if we don't go down now, we will start to look for another. Let me see. Okay, we're getting a good red bar down now, so maybe we can get some more trades in. So we are currently at a $90 profit, so nothing crazy yet, but we will get there. And thank you all. I see we have 4 likes now. Sadly, we just have 4 people live, but I guess we will reach our 100 this year, I hope. That is my target. 100 live, I mean, at the same time. That would be amazing. Now we are ready on the line. Let's see. Come on. So basically, I'm waiting for us to come down the line. I'll push up. It's quite simple, our trading. So let's see. This line I've been holding for hours. So that's why it's a good one. And I think we can be trading this one for a little while. I hope. At least I got in 2 trades on it till now. Now let's see. And I'm in. I got a good entry. Now if this line will be holding, I probably, if we look for the past, most of the time he closed above this area. We see I got in at a little above the line. Currently we're moving away, so this seems like we're getting a win. That is cool. And we got a win. So then we are at $185. It's a little cooler now. We find ourselves a good line. Now I'm not complaining that much. We are doing better. So $185 profit. And it's starting to be a better start. So $185 profit here. Now need to promote also, of course, because I would love to see more people live on my session. And we will take every single trade that come down there. I'm ready to go in again while I'm posting. And there, now let's see. We are getting close again. Hopefully this can be the line that makes us $1,000, so you get a good end of the normal. Let's see, on this week. We will trade again tomorrow, so let's see. Almost, I did push. I'm in. I got a good entry. So as long as yet he holds the line. And there he broke the line. But okay, I will not complain that much. We got in 3 winning trades on it, but still I find it annoying, because when you see this, a line hold that long, that we started basically just to trade it over here, and then he break. It's not good. So then our profit is just $85. No, I really, this start to annoy me now. That every time we start to trade, we started to trade just here. See, look this, all this time for basically from the timeline that is here. I don't know which timeline it is, but it's basically we can say from 7:33 all the way till 10. So we're talking 3 hours the line have been holding, and we are talking minutes we are trading here. And just for these few minutes, he would choose to break down. So, like I said, this week we really have needed to work very hard to turn our profit, because every time we start trading, we come into the wrong time, and we no. So I need to admit I'm starting to be very annoyed. I'm not used to this. I'm used to that at least we get in 5-6 trades before a line is broken at least. So, but yeah, we got in 3 at least, so what can I do? Let's continue then. I was hoping that we were going to get in so you could turn 1,000 or something like that. Here I see 2 lines. Let's mark one down here, and let's mark one up. The one up here I don't think we can trade, it's too irregular, but we will trade the one down here. Let me see, actually when I look more on it, oh, we got 2 lines. It's actually not, let me see, it's just one here that came down to it. These ones are good, and then he had another was a little higher. I think we can just move on. Let's wait and see on this one. How you have done this week, by the way? I have turned in a little profit, but as you have seen, I have been struggling to turn profit this week. I still turned I don't know, I have not calculated how much profit I made this week, but I think by the way close to around $1,000. But I have needed to work very hard for it. Write in the chat if you have been trading also this week. Have you turned a profit this week, or how have it been for you? And have it been the same for you, like you have seen in my sessions? Because I have really been struggling. The lines have been broken quite regularly, and but of course we know this week, I see with Forex also, it's been a very strange week. I think there have been a lot of news. The market is moving very strange. It's a very trendy market. You see dollar is crashing down against euro and British pound and these type of things. So it's a very strange week, of course. So I think of course there are some combinations there. Here we have another beautiful line, but we are way too far away, so I don't even want to mark it up. I can just show you trading view. If we now take a look at, for example, euro against dollar, you can basically just look this move up here, and if you take it to daily, you get the idea. You can see this move up here, it's very strong. We are going above everything you see here. So there are something in the market right now that makes it also harder to trade binary options. So I guess this week is just a strange week. So hopefully next week will be a little better. But yes, have not been so fun to trade this week, I need to admit. Because typically in a session we make around 500 or more. But now we are struggling just to turn profit. and of course I will not complain. Most people are losing money. So you see here, this one we did not stop trade, but here also you see in the same time he chose to go down. So you see that it's nothing to do with us, that is because we started to trade that he chose to break. You see here also there was a line for a very long time, since 9 till basically it was a line for 1.5 hours, and exactly in this area, more or less the same time we were trading this pair, you see he chose to break down. So almost to show you that have nothing to do with that just we were trading, that the broker is against us. It's just we are unlucky. There is the unlucky part we come in. That's why I'm annoyed, because we come in basically in the wrong time. If you just, I see, if you had traded this week, if we have come in trading 1 hour earlier, we would have made a lot of money. We will not even complain this week. That's the thing. So it looks like the time we're trading is terrible this week. So now let's see. Now we have a beautiful line down here. Let's mark it here. Yeah, I like it. A little far away, but I think we just keep it here for now. We can go back and look later. Here also we are going to trade this line and this one. Why do we keep this one open? For no reason, I see. So let's just close it. Then let's continue. Let me see if there are any questions. Okay, quite a lot here. Yeah, it's bad market, it is. Yeah, I know. Bad for everything, crypto and everything, yeah. This 60% cashback out when Killian talk about the pocket option, that is for life. It's not for a year or nothing, it's for life. How they calculate it, how they give it back, it's just an option I did find when I did see for the affiliate section. How they do it, if they give it for each trade or if they calculate it and give you each week, this I have no idea, but you're supposed to get cash back on every single trade you do. I will figure it out so I know exactly how it works, but at least you will get it. Now let's continue. We have a nice one there, and not that far away, and we still have a good 30 minutes left of our session. We are currently just $85 profit. Little far away from our target, but we are at least in profit. I will follow this one. I think we can just wait for a little. But this one I think is a little, no, it's going the wrong way also. No. Do we have a thing up here? Let me see. No, we don't have. He said, no, you don't have a thing up there. I think then we can just continue. GBP, GPY. That's, like I said before, that is my favorite pair for Forex trading. I had a lot of success. Wow, here we have a good one. This I love. This one we will trade like easy. And this one you see I've been trading for a very long time also. Now let's see if our luck turn around. This is so good I will even post it. Binary options sell line for GBP USD at 1:22:2018. Let's see if I manage to post it before we start trading. Let me now post it for you all first. In the Academy. There. Now. Let's see. I'm ready to go down if you come up to this red line. If you see me looking like this, it's because I am posting to groups the line also. So we probably get some more people in. Because I give the line with a link to the live stream. And there. Now, let's wait and see. Let's hope he don't choose to go down again. Because you see, that is a thing he do with this pair. You see, he go down, up, down, up, down. But every time he give a few trades. And we basically just need a line like this, because if we get a line like this again, let's see here, if you come here, we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe lost this one, 7, so let's say 5 winning trades. These two would cover each other. So we will have, then we basically be close to $500 just with something like this. So, but yes, looks like he want to take a trip down for come up again later. But this one we need really to follow. Now just check back on the first here, because this one was closer. Nope. And this was far away also, I guess. And why we have this one open? Okay, getting closer to this line also. So then looks like the two closest are the two GBP pairs. Now let's see. I hope he break up here. Is a small resistance he need to break through. Let's change for 30. Always when you change in between the pairs, remember to change this one to 30. I have done the mistakes many times that I push and then we have just a 5 second, because when it's 5 seconds, even if you take the trade direct on line, it's just gambling when it's the 5 seconds. Now we'll continue. This one is good, but we are a little far away right now, so let's see if we can find something else. Meanwhile, down here we don't see nothing because this is irregular, and this one we see there are no very good line at all, so it's not a good pair to trade. USD CAD. Our favorite pair is coming up soon. I should have opened it first. It's actually this one here, dollar against Chinese. We have been very successful with that pair. Down here we have a line, but that will not happen in this session. Now let's see. This pair we have done very good with, but today there are nothing to trade. Let's go back here and see. Okay, maybe we get something here on this pair. Let's see. Let's change to 30. We are getting close. Now we need to go into the zooming part. This line have been holding since 8 in morning, whatever timeline this broker have, and it's now 11, so it's like 3 hours this line have been holding, so that make it strong. So this resistance is pretty strong. Actually, it's hold it longer because it's from here, so it's from 4 in morning. So, so it's like 7 hours this line has been holding. So if we break on this the time we start with trading, my God, then we are very unlucky. Now we are very close to trade. I'm ready to go in. Let's see. I'm in. Was a little bad entry, but hopefully it's good enough. Now I need to wait 20 seconds. I go in again there. Now we will just wait this two and see. I'm out of words. I'm really out of words. This line have been holding for 7 hours. We choose to trade now and we lose. I'm now $115 in minus. Do you see what we're dealing with here now? Look here, I'll zoom out. Look this line. We start literally the first trade here, and he. Oh, let's try to take that all the way here now. I was too late, of course. We literally started to trade here. Now I start to be super annoyed. This. No, I'm out of words, to be quite frankly. This week have been too annoying. Okay, but we're not giving up. I will turn profit in this session also, but once again, we need to work harder to get our money. And yeah. So now we are $115 in minus. I don't think we are going to make any big money in this session either, because our lines are not holding up. Never. It's so weird that we are not able to get nothing to work. It's a hell week. But I will say this much. When we manage, like we have done this week, to turn profit in a week like this, that only make us different from the rest. Because trust me, most people this week, they are losing a lot of money. And at least we have turned a profit, but working too hard for it, I feel. Now I will change for 30 seconds here. This is at GBP, GPY. The line is at 165, 13.43. Okay. So I'm ready here to go in on this pair. Let's see. I'm in. Quite good entry. I will zoom in. Yes, we got a good entry. I'll take one more there. And if you break this line now, then I will be super angry. We should at least win one on this two. If we win both, we are in profit for the day. Now let me see. He's pushing a little too. I can't believe. Did he really break this line also? Let me see. Yeah, he did break this line also. At least we won one of them, so we basically just we are then more $8 down. So you see that he's breaking this line also. Today is a very strange day also. Out of words. Out of words. It's so boring to trade this week. So you can see today now we have 3 winners here, then we got 3 losers, and then we got we got 4 losers down here, so we are down $123 today. So I don't like this. But let's see if you can turn this around. Let's start from the top again then. Here I see nothing. 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 Okay, here we might have something. Let's see. Put 30. Let's see. Zooming in. We are trading this one. This have been a line since 10 and it's now a 1 hour line. Okay, let's see if we have a little more luck on this one. This is for Australian dollar against American dollar. We have the line at 0.692927. We just need 2 trades to at least turn profit for the day. I'm ready to go in. This one is a little jumpy, so it's difficult to get a good entry. He's moving very fast, but I will do my best. Hopefully we get a good entry, because I hate to lose trades on bad entries. Because there are, when they push the down button, there are a small delay. So that's the only way we lose on bad entries. Let's see. And it pushed there. We got, you see, with this jumping, I will say this was a quite good entry. And now we need to wait 10 seconds. Now 15 more seconds. Looks like we're going to win. We are deep in the money at least. Very deep in the money. So this one we are going to win for sure. So plus 90, isn't it 95? 92. So now we have only $31 in minus. That I will call 0. But yes, maybe we found a good line now. Let's see. No, it's just a little patient game again. Hopefully we can get a few more trades on this one. You see, it's not that many times you come up to the line. Most of the time is below it, as you can see. But if you look here now, we have one that was above it, so it was the line was broken here. But after that, he have kept it all the way, so that's why we are trading it right now. Now we're moving a little far away, so while we do that, let's go and check if we find something more. Here we are far away. I don't think it will happen in this session, so we can move on down, see if we find something else. Here, do we have something? I would say no. Down here, little far away. Now we're looking for a thing we can immediately be trading, because we don't have so much time left in this session. Let's go back and check. Nope. Let's continue. So we are $31 minus, so I will call, like I said, I call that 0. Here we actually do have something. Let's turn this one to red. Let's change to 30 seconds. Here we are getting a trade right away, looks like. This is for euro against Australian dollar. The line is at 152.37.46. Now let's see. I'm ready to go in. I think we can move the line. I'm moving the line a little up, I see now. The line is now at 1.52.37.46. I did move it just a little bit up because I did see one of the lines was a little above it. So now I'm ready. Here we will get $95 if we win. So if we get a trade up in this line and we win, we are turning profit at least in this session. Now let's see. And I will say, with a week like this, to just be turning profit, and I think all in all I'm around $1,000 profit this week, so it's not super bad, but for what I'm used to, it's bad. I'm not used to be working this hard. I've been working hard other weeks to find, for example, good lines that have been something, but that lines have been broken so often like this week I have never seen before. Now let's see, we are ready. We are very close to a trade here now. I'll zoom in a little more. Let's see. So this is for euro against Australian dollar. And no, don't go in, don't go in. No, I see actually my line is broken. It's not broken, it's a little wrong there. I should have gone in. I thought the line was broken, but I see that was above here also. Did not see it before I did zoom in. Let's see. I'm ready to go in. There I am. Oh, terrible entry. I need to have a better one there and a better one there. So as long as you don't break the line now, we should be good. Let's zoom out and follow. If you can break hard down now so you can win all, that would be amazing. Of course he's pushing very much up there now. I lost the first. Okay. I'll do the calculations after. I'm in there, good entry. One more there. Now let's see, we lost 200 minus 200 plus 95. Yeah, $136 minus. Now let's see here now. If we get these two here now, we should turn profit. And there and there. Good. Then we are plus 95 plus 95. We are now $54 profit. Okay, cool. At least we are in profit now. I'm ready to go in more. I'm not able to put okay, so now we are in profit for the day at least, not anything crazy. We are $54 profit. Let me see if there are any questions while we wait to go up again. No more questions. Now let's see if we come up again, we will go in. Let's see, I'm ready. Let's see. We are getting close. I mean, quite good entry. So if we, let's see if I go in again there. Let's see if we go up again. Now it's 17 seconds. Did go in again there. Very bad entry. But we're winning the first at least. So then we are up at $149 profit. Let's see if this bad entry can give us a win also. Currently it looks good. As long as we keep down. 5, 4, 3, 2, and now at least we're turning some profit. Now we are up at $244. So this line have hold a little better. We have a little winning streak here now. So this line have been provided quite good for us. So now let's see. I'm ready to go in again. So once again the line is at 1.523748. I have the line. You always can see with the red here the number where I put my line. Now let's see, we are ready to go in again if we just can come up. Let's see, we're getting close. How are we in this? We have just 2 minutes left of the session. So at least we turn profit in this session also. But yes, I need to admit we needed to work extraordinarily hard this week. But we turn profit every single day, even though. But you see, we need to stick to the rules and we turn profit. But yes, this week have been very strange. But it's been strange for like other people say also. For crypto, for forex, for buying options, it's been a very strange week. So now let's see. I will say we are done now. You can continue to trade this line. I will be back again trading again tomorrow, so not to worry, we will make some more money this week. Even though this week have been super hard, yes, we have been trading good, yes, we have managed profit, and we can't complain when we are making more than $1,000 in a week also, when a week is so difficult, and there the line is broken, by the way. So once again, lines get broken. This time I did not trade on it, but yes, we see that that's a recurring thing, that we have been very unlucky with the times we've been trading this week. So super annoying. So I was at least did not have a trade in here, but yes, this week have been something very strange. So, but still, I hope you enjoy to see somewhat struggling also, but still we are making money, but we have been struggling hard this week. So I think it's good that you see the real, how it is really for someone to trade live with binary option. Is not easy, it's not for everyone, but if you stick to it and you put yourself some rules and you keep to the rules, you can see that even when things go against you, we managed to make profit. So you can see we had some struggling today. We even got 4 trades losing in a row. And even though I did manage to turn $244 profit. So I hope that inspire you all to see that never give up and stick to the rules that we set, and you will turn profit eventually. So I hope that is something inspiring for you to see that, because it's so easy to see some of these YouTubers you see online that are winning, they have this 100% win rate. First of all, it's just rubbish, but it's for you to see it, how it, because I understand when you trade yourself after, you see you're losing, but this is for you to see that even though it can be hard, like you see when I'm trading here live, you can see my frustration, but still, even though I keep to the rules, and you see I don't go in and start martingale and take 200, 400, 800, 1600 trades, even though I could with my balance, you see I don't do that. I keep to my rules. I take 100 trade, 100 trade, 100 trade, and you see I turn profit. So with that, I hope you did enjoy, and I see you tomorrow.